Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Mini Clubman. First, always ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral. This is a crucial safety step. Next, confirm that the parking brake is engaged. If your Clubman has a key fob slot, insert the fob now. Then, firmly press the brake pedal with your right foot. These initial actions prepare your vehicle for a smooth and safe start, ensuring all systems are ready to go. Now, let's engage the ignition. Locate the Start/Stop button, typically found on the dashboard. With your foot still on the brake, press and hold this button for just a moment. You'll hear the engine turn over and then ignite. Once the engine is running smoothly, you can release the Start/Stop button. This simple action brings your Mini Clubman to life, ready for your next adventure. After starting, it's wise to perform a few quick checks. First, confirm that all dashboard warning lights have extinguished, indicating no immediate issues. Glance at your fuel gauge to ensure you have sufficient fuel for your journey. Take a moment to adjust your mirrors and seating for optimal visibility and comfort. Finally, set your climate control to a comfortable temperature. These steps ensure a pleasant and safe driving experience. With your Mini Clubman running and checks complete, you're ready to drive. Fully disengage the parking brake. Then, select your desired gear, either drive for forward motion or reverse for backing up. Slowly and smoothly release the brake pedal, allowing the vehicle to creep forward or backward. Always proceed with caution, observing all traffic laws and being aware of your surroundings. Enjoy your drive in your Mini Clubman.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.